Hey guys, this is Krish here, and today I'll be unboxing this LG G8X ThinQ, which I have purchased for just 20,000 rupees on the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. So let's get started. So I'll be unboxing the phone and I'll give you an overview of the features. So I think this video is going to be long, so please bear with me. So as you can see, this is a festive special limited edition. Maybe they rebranded everything, kind of. Especially for this special edition, because they are giving it out for 20,000 rupees. So let's open the box and check what's inside. So opening up the box, okay, that's pretty nice. You also get this microfiber cloth to wipe off the display when needed. And okay, we have the handset itself. It looks pretty nice, like pretty sleek, with all glass body design. Okay, let's put it aside for a while and just check what else is inside. So okay, I guess this is the case, TPU case. Yeah, we get a silicone TPU case for the phone, and there is some paperwork, quick start guide. I guess this is some warranty card. Oh, this is some, we have a warranty card in here. Okay, let's put them aside. And as you guys can see, there is no charger included in the box. It seems like these pieces are imported from Korea, so the adapter will be different there, so maybe that's the reason they took it out. But we do get a USB Type-C cable, and these are the earphones. Yeah, these are the earphones. The quality is also really nice. There is this braided cable in this. Okay, let's put everything aside for a while. We have a lot of things. So this is the handset. Okay, so now coming to the features of the handset. This is actually a military standard. This has a military standard certification for its durability. It comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 in the front and Gorilla Glass 5 in the back. And we do have IP68 water resistance. You can immerse it in the water up to 3 meters and 30 minutes, I guess. But it's just in case if it falls in the water, not that you want to intentionally dip it in the water. And this is the main thing of the phone, guys. This dual screen is what makes this phone so special. So let's just check out how this dual screen is. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the dual screen. Wow, looks pretty nice. So this is the dual screen, and you also get this magnetic charger, because once you put the screen inside this Type-C cable, you won't be able to charge it. So they provided this magnetic clip so that you can charge it through here, but just start it. The magnet is very strong. Again, it's very strong. So let's start up the device. Oh my god, there's a lot of mess going on. So okay, until it boots up, I'll just give you an overview of this phone. So this has a OLED display which is HDR10 supported. It is a 6.4-inch display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It also supports that always on display, because it is a OLED display again. And coming to the processor and all, it has a Snapdragon 855 which is the last year's flagship processor. I guess the Antutu scores will be around 4.5 or 4.6 lakhs, and getting Snapdragon 855 at this price is it's really good. I don't think even other Chinese companies can offer that at this price especially. So that's a great thing again. And this phone has a storage of 6GB RAM, and comes with the 128GB UFS 2.1 storage again. Not very fast storage, but then UFS 2.1, it's okay, it's acceptable at this price especially. And coming to the cameras, it has a 12 megapixel main camera, which is f1.8, which has optical image stabilization also, for your smooth video recordings and all. And the secondary camera is 13 megapixel ultra wide, which is f2.4. So, and the selfie camera is a 32 megapixel shooter, which is f1.9 again, and it is a wide camera, so that's which is good. And both the front and back cameras are capable of shooting in HDR. Okay, and one more best thing about the LG phones is the Quad DAC. Actually, as you can see, this phone still retains that Quad DAC, like 3.5mm DAC. But the speciality is the audio output, which is like really good. It supports 32-bit audio, which is like 192 kilohertz, high quality audio. So that's again a very good thing. And coming to the battery, it has a 4000 mAh battery. Let me just skip everything. Yeah, so it has a 4000 milliamp hour battery. It supports fast charging up to 21 watts. But as the charger is not included in the box, we need to purchase it from outside. I think we can go for the MI Sonic charger, I guess, which has 27 watts, or it would be fine even if you go with the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which will be around 18 watts. So I guess that's pretty good for the price. Again, I'll just skip everything for now. Okay, it's not letting me. So this is all about the phone, guys. I think especially for 20,000 rupees, this phone is really worth it, because you are also getting that dual screen, and you have all the features, like it also supports wireless charging, and it supports wireless charging up to 9 watts, and it has IP68 rating, and it got that Gorilla Glass 6, which is like the latest, which is a really good quality. Okay, so I'll just show you how this dual screen works. So we just put it in here, and it will show you some icon on the screen. So once you turn it on, yeah, see, you guys can see that both the displays are on. So you can open two simultaneous apps at the same time. For example, we have some kind of bloat here, but I guess we can uninstall them later. So let's just see the functionality. So for example, I'm opening the Play Store here. I mean, it's not signed in, and you can open Chrome. So this is how you can use this phone. It's especially very good as we are working from home, and also you can use the secondary screen as a gamepad if you want to play games. I guess it doesn't support all the games out there, but most of the games, like maybe Asphalt 9 and all, you have a separate dedicated gamepad application in this. I guess this is it. Yeah, so when you launch these games, this you can okay, it's not installed, and yeah, here it is, LG gamepad. I guess you can use this screen as the gamepad. Yeah, and this screen you can play games like this. So I think it's a pretty good deal for the price for which they are offering, for 20,000 rupees. Because come on, who gives Snapdragon 855 for like 20 grand, right? And also all the features, like the military grade certification, IP68, and wireless charging, and the Quad DAC, which you will not find in any other phone, like apart from LG phones. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. And one thing I can really say is this phone is definitely worth the price you're paying for. So actually I purchased this for my dad, because 90 hertz refresh rate or maybe 120 hertz refresh rate is what usually we want, but for elder people, like for our dads or moms, I think this is pretty good phone, because they can also they also have this dual display, so maybe they can multitask if they are doing some work, etc. So I hope you liked this video, guys. So that's it. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.